We were trying to find what was Miss Kessler's annual return on her investment to the nearest tenth of percent. So return on investment. So I need to figure out what her return was over her. I need to figure out what her return was over 91.25 because that was her initial investment. So let me see. She gets a par value of $100 minus 91.25, and that gives you 875 interest over 2 years. So the interest per year, so this is over 2. Interest per year would be 875 divided by 2. 2 into 875, that's going to be 4.37 or something like that. That's close. And so she gets at end of 10 years, because she look here, also collected interest at 2.75 of par. So 0.0275 of par is 100, which would be $2.75. So if I take 437 plus 275, that's 12, 10, 11, 7. So I needed to figure out what is 7.12 divided by 91.25. And I've looked at my answers, and the ones that are closest together are 6.8 and 7.8. I think I can do some rounding of math. Let's call this about 7 over 90. Or 7 over, yeah. So when you do that division, that is 7 divided by 90. There's my decimal. And that's going to give me a 0. And that's going to be a 7. And that's going to be a 63. That's going to be a 0 and a 7. So 0.077. This thing's going to keep on going. So that's C, 7.8%.